Hello, this is Lance with Ag Power. Today I'm going to show you some maintenance items on a John Deere Z-Track mower. First, we'll raise the seat. Located here is your air filter, spark plugs on either side of the engine, your fuel filter, your oil dipstick, oil filter, oil drain, hydraulic reservoir, and battery. For further information, check the Z-Track Daily Service decal located on the right side panel next to your seat. Also see the operator's manual for complete servicing information and proper procedures.